Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to do a Boxycharm unboxing, and I'm also going to do this quick little eye look that I think is really cute for summer, and it's not really hard. Everybody can wear it, everyone can do it, it's super easy. So if you want to see how I get this look, stick around. But for now, I'm going to start off with opening up what's in my box. So first of all, we have the Pure Cosmetics Festival 2.0. So I'm really sad because I'm not going to lie to you, you guys will probably see it when I do my eye makeup. It broke, and it was probably one of my favorites. It was the dark green because I love dark green for brown eyes, and it got all over my legs. I'm really sad about it. But the palette, it's really beautiful. It has a lot of new colors. It has lots of tans. I'm really into this strawberry color right here. Real sad about this green. I actually have this on my under eye right now, and in the eyeshadow that I did, I used this peach color. I used this kind of mauve tan color. I used this chocolatey brown, and then I used this champagne color as well. Then next up in my box, I have the Grace and Stella. It's like an energy drink for your eyes eye mask. So I'm going to probably use these on my Instagram stories because that's where I like to put a lot of skincare, because I know people get bored of it, but if you like skincare and you're into it, go to my Instagram. Then again, we have 111 Skin, and this is the Pollution Difference Booster. Never used it before, but again, I'll try that on my Instagram. I love skincare. I'm into it. I really don't wear a lot of makeup except for when I'm filming, so that's fun for me. Then next up, we have the Hourglass Arch, and this is the Brow Micro Sculpting Pencil. You guys know I live for eyebrows, so I'm going to do a whole tutorial using this because I typically wouldn't buy this for myself because it's pretty expensive. Okay, so I don't want to say this wrong because it's spelled like douche. Is that right? No. Yeah, Dose. I don't know, but it's D-O-U-C-C-E, which makes me think of douche, but I can't imagine that's what you call it. And this is a graphic pen, which I didn't use it either, just because I feel like eyeliner's eyeliner. And I have like two favorites that I always use anyway. So yeah, that's what's in my box. I really like the palette. Kind of sad that it broke. I wish it was wrapped in bubbles. I think it would have been fine. But yeah, I hope you guys like this unboxing and this eye look. If you do, make sure to subscribe, like, share, whatever you're supposed to do. I don't even know anymore. There's so many things to do at the end of a video, I guess. And I will see you guys soon. Bye. So first, taking the Festival palette, I'm going to open it, and here it goes. We're dropping. So sad. I'm going to take this champagne color, and I'm going to use it on my eyes, and I was having a tough time going on. I tried to use my finger, so then I had to really wet the brush to get it on. Then I'm going to take this peachy shade, and I'm really going to bring it all the way up into my brows, and it doesn't go on too bright, so it's going to look really pretty. You're going to look sun-kissed. And then I'm going to take this deeper mauve color, and I'm really going to focus this into my crease. If you don't have a crease, kind of just want to make one up. When I look down, you'll see how it really defines it, and it makes it look smoky but light, which I really like. Then I'm going to take this chocolatey brown, and I'm going to focus it on my outer corner, and I'm going to do kind of like a V and just follow my lower line up. This is going to help keep your eyes looking more youthful and more lifted. So it's going to give you a little bit of a cat eye. But what I like about this, it's not too over the top. It's like a nice, pretty, summery cat eye because of those pinks and peaches. Like I said, it looks like the sun kind of hit you. I really like this color scheme because it's like a smoky eye, but it's on the lighter side. So then I'm going to take this Urban Decay liner. This was not in the box, but it's nice and bright green, and it's really going to help that under shadow pop a lot. So I'm taking this color, and it has like specks of like minty green in it, specks of champagne, specks of almost like tealy blue. So it reminds me of like the ocean and mermaids. So I just thought this was a really fun, easy look for whether you're a beginner or not. So I hope you guys like this look, and I'll see you soon, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye.